Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. It's the day 13 of this channel and I have got 153 subscribers. Thank you all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School yet, please subscribe and help me to get 1000 subscribers soon. Thank you. Today we are going to learn how to count in Japanese language. Alright, let's start today's lesson. 始めましょう。1 2 3 4 or 4 5 6 7 or 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 Well done! Today we learn how to count and write to 100 in Japanese. That's for today's lesson. If you have not subscribed to Kiko's Language School, please click the subscribe button and join us. If you are new to Kiko's Language School, you can also check out the Japanese for Beginners video series using the links in the description box below. If you have any question from today's lesson, don't hesitate to leave a comment. 見てくれてありがとう。